Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. If you are new to WordPress and you want to create your own WordPress website and looking for a step-by-step tutorial that how you can install and activate a WordPress plugin, then this video is for you. So for creating a website, you need many WordPress plugins. So a plugin is a piece of software that will add extra functionality to your WordPress website. So in WordPress, there have thousands of plugins, huge collection of plugin categories like LMS plugin, page builder plugin, contact form plugin, and so on. Also, there have two types of plugin. The first one is free plugin and another one is paid plugin. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can install and activate your WordPress plugin. So let's get started. First, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. So here is my neat and clean WordPress dashboard. So for creating our WordPress website, we need WordPress plugin. So first, I will show you that how you can install a free WordPress plugin. For installing a free WordPress plugin, you have to visit plugins. Then here we can see that we have an option that is add new. We have to click on this add new option. So here we have a search box. In this search box, we have to type for our favorite free plugins. So I'm typing LifterLMS. So here is the LifterLMS free plugin. We have to just click on this install now option. And now activate. So that's it. Our LifterLMS free plugin is successfully installed on our WordPress website. So now I will show you that how you can install a page plugin. So for page plugin, first you have to buy your required plugins, and after buying that plugins, you will get a zip file. You have to just upload that zip file to your WordPress dashboard. First visit your WordPress dashboard. We will follow the same process, that first plugins, then add new. So here we can see that we have an option that is upload plugin. We have to upload our zip file here. So now choose your zip file. So I'm not showing you the process. I'm just telling you the process. So first choose your zip file and then click on this install now option and then activate. So that was very simple process for installing a paid plugin and a free plugin. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.